shut like this. It will immediately shut like this, and then you could just switch side like this, and then you come up, and then you wait here, and then if you have some friends, you can wait, and then your other friend.
Do you have coffee for service for selling?
Yes, but wait. So this one is the place where you get ready for putting your stuff, so you could fly up there, and then and then there's someone who is right here. There's someone who's right here, which will take care and see that like, are you safe, and then take your suit down, and then they throw their suits down here, and then you could just use it a lot. Remember, this is not real, it's just playing. Then come, and then, oh hi friend, now it's the girl's job to show, so we better just go play football, maybe just relax up there. Oh hi, now it's our turn. Okay. So here's the thing. Here's a place where you get some food, and they will just cook it down here. And then these are the holes that you can see sunlight. And then here is a man who takes our suit off when we just fly up here, or the lift. And here's a ladder. Here's the ladder. We come up, we have a place where we hold, and then we go up. And here's a place where we eat. We can listen, we can look at the view, and here we could just lay down and just have some rest. This guy's not laying down. Oh, that's better. And this is the boy and girl side, because it's not actually real, because it's red right here. Two of it, both of it is red. Both of this is blue. So yeah. It's like something like not the same. And here they could be together if they wanted. And once again, there's some stuff right here, and then this is a lift, place to put like your equipment and cooking, the cooking place, the cashier. This is the car, the whole thing. And at the back, once again, you don't need to look. It's just a football field which has these balls. We have a green one, a yellow one, a red one, and a blue one. These are the colors. And then you can place them back, and then pretend these are the other people. Oh wow! We will like this place. It looks kind of fun. How do you get up here? I don't know, but I'm just going to climb. That's not a good idea. You're something like stealing. No, whoa! And you'll hurt yourself. Come on, let's find a better idea. No. And then these guys just keep climbing. And this guy, excuse me, how could we go up there? Oh, right there's a lift. And there's people who will help us to get your suit and have a ready to have and get ready to have a lift, and it's kind of fun and it's not scary, it's not dangerous. It's not scary, it's not dangerous. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ooh. Excuse me, can you help me go up there? Oh, sure. Let me put on your suit for you. You're done now. Place your body in the hole. Yes. Is it going to be scary or dangerous? Nope, it's fun. Alright. Put it there. Now, the thing will call, the elevator will come up. And then you get out a little, and then you place yourself in again, and then it will immediately shut. No, it will immediately shut. Does it hurt? It will immediately shut. But does it hurt? Nope, nope, nope. It has some foam right there. Don't worry. Okay, hope so. I'm just right here. Alright. Alright. And shut. Okay. And hey, you, come up here. What? How do you come? You climbed? Nope. Well, I guess you're left there. Bye. Oh, no. Where should I go? Once again, bye guys, and hope you like and subscribe for me. And if you can, you could share and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you would like to buy this, you could buy it in a shop. So, bye!